Whether you made your own ringtones or downloaded unique ones from the web, this guide will walk you through the easy, step-by-step process of transferring them to your iPhone. Part 1. Add ringtones to iPhone without iTunes using iOS data transfer. How to add ringtones to an iPhone from a computer without iTunes. Before you start the following steps, pay attention that you may need to enter the iPhone password twice during the whole process on iOS 13 and later versions with the strengthened data security system. 1. Install iPhone ringtones, transfer on your computer, and connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. 2. Choose music from the left window. Click Ringtones under the All Music section, and tap the plus button to select ringtones you want to transfer. After selection, hit the Open button in the pop-up window to import them to your iPhone. How to make a custom ringtone on an iPhone on a computer. 1. After downloading the app and connecting your iPhone to this computer, click Toolbox from the left panel and tap the Ringtone Maker. 2. Select the music file to make a ringtone. Either click Add a file from a device or Add a file from the PC. Choose the desired song from the list, and hit Select to import the music into this program. 3. Edit the song and save the necessary parts as a ringtone. You can set a starting and ending point for the ringtone, adjust the volume, and play the music. Then, tick Add to the device at the lower left corner and hit Generate to save the custom ringtone into your iPhone directly. Part 2. Set or change ringtones in iPhone without iTunes from iPhone settings. If you have some favorite ringtones on your iPhone, you can set or change the ringtone without a computer and iTunes with the steps below. 1. On your iPhone, open Settings, navigate to Sounds and choose Ringtone. 2. Tap the desired music name to set it as the new ringtone. Part 3. Make a song a ringtone on iPhone without computer or iTunes via GarageBand, but it only works on iOS 7 to iOS 14 and is a bit complicated to use. 1. Install the GarageBand from the App Store on your iPhone and launch it. 2. Tap Audio Recorder from the instrument screen, disable the triangular metronome icon next to the record icon, and click the tracks icon to make it visible. Afterward, press the plus icon on the timeline or scale, located at the upper right corner of the interface. 3. Click Section A, slide the counter under Manual up to 30, turn off Automatic, and hit Done to save the settings. After that, touch the Apple Loops icon next to Settings, head over to the Music tab, and choose the song you want. 4. Press and hold the desired song and drag it into the screen. Then release your finger when it is dragged at the beginning of the first bar. Next, adjust the slider to crop the song's necessary part and drop it to the first bar's beginning. If you want, you can also add other tracks to mix the songs. 5. When finishing editing, click the arrow icon at the upper left corner and tap My Songs. In doing so, the songs you created will be automatically stored there. Part 4. Put ringtones on iPhone without iTunes via third-party ringtone makers. Apart from the above methods or apps, there are also numerous other ringtone makers in the market to customize your ringtone. This part introduces 5 additional ringtone makers for your information. Ringtone Maker. This app is specially designed to create custom ringtones for iOS devices with simple steps. Equipped with good quality control, this app will bring you many beautiful melodies to be set as the iPhone ringtone or the contact ringtone. Ringtone DJ. Ringtone DJ allows you to create unlimited ringtones and add them to the iTunes library. With this app, everything becomes quite simple. Ringtones for iPhone. Made with premium quality, this app lets you create new tones and modify the existing ringtones, voices, etc. You will surely love this app, as thousands of users do. Ringtone Design. This one is among the leading ringtone makers in the iOS app market. Using Ringtone Design, you can create copious custom ringtones, content tones, alarm clock rings, etc. Besides, you can also alter the starting and ending time of the ringtone on the simple interface. Music Ringtone Creator. It can make unique ringtones for contacts, message, text notification, and email notification on iPod Touch, iPad, iPhone, and other iDevices. More than that, funny sounds will also attract you greatly.